What's up, meine Luton Scheuten? That's what's up, my beautiful people in German. Just farting around, having a good time. What's up, my beautiful people? And I'm back again with part 8 of this amazing journey of deciding, do I like coloring with digital? Do I like coloring traditionally? And I've come away with a few points where obviously it's cheaper to work traditionally because you just need paper, pencil, pens, and maybe some alternative to Copics. And well, I also feel like once you've developed your style and your skill level, traditionally, it's easier to maintain. And if you want to learn digital coloring, I think you should learn traditional first. But I do feel it's a time saver, and it's quicker to transfer to electronic files, which now we're all printing from electronic files. The look is very different. I prefer traditional. Some prefer digital. Overall, I do need to continue to learn and grow and get my skill level at the same up in digital coloring and drawing. And I've had a great time doing this. So I appreciate you watching each video. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure to hit the bell to be notified. And yeah, leave it in the comment below which you prefer, if you prefer digital coloring and drawing to traditional coloring and drawing. I'm just old school and I like traditional, but I've got to move into the modern era and use digital drawing. This has been an awesome time. Thank you guys for watching. And just enjoy the rest of the video and have a great one.